thought this was supposed to be the most advanced security system on the planet.
Overwatch is one of my best friend's favorite games. I haven't played or really watched the game. All I know is that Mei is my crush.
Welcome to Nerf Max Force. Let the games begin.
Also, when it comes to Nerf, I'm more familiar with stuff from the 90s, like the Neon stuff and Max Force. Oh, and then from the 2000s, End Strike. This new stuff is intriguing though. So today, I'm gonna check out D.Va's Nerf Rival light gun.
It's Nerf or nothing.
Nerf Rival was introduced in 2015. The subtitle for it is Precision Battling. These blasters are designed for the competitive Nerfer. Therefore, they shoot at a higher rate than an average Nerf blaster. The first two Rival blasters were the Apollo XV700 and the Zeus MXV 1200. A bit of trivia about the names: the letters indicate Roman numerals representing the year they were released. If there's an M in the front of the Roman numeral, then that means that it's motorized. For every 100 in the blaster's name, this indicates 1 round of ammunition. For example, the Apollo XV700 would be the Apollo model of blaster, released in 2015, and it can hold up to 7 rounds. The Zeus MXV 1200 is the motorized Zeus model blaster from 2015 and can hold up to 12 rounds. Speaking of rounds, the Rival series of Nerf blasters use small foam balls known as high impact rounds instead of the foam darts.
The Nerf NB1 is so explosive, so intense, and so powerful, its only limits are your wildest dreams. NB1, it's Nerf or nothing.
Overwatch is an online multiplayer first-person shooter with its own world. The game has actual characters with names and backstories, unlike something like Call of Duty or Fortnite, which has some rando that just, runs around. Not that I dislike Fortnite, but I dislike that the characters are just there. I mean, they have cool skins, but there's no depth to them. Maybe it's just my age talking. Nerf released a few Overwatch-themed blasters, including D.Va's light gun, McCree's Peacekeeper, Soldier 76's Heavy Pulse Rifle, and Reaper's Hellfire shotguns. They also made microshot versions of D.Va's light gun, Tracer's Pulse Pistol, and Torbjorn's Rivet gun. The microshots are single-shot dart blasters. Of course, they are only inspired by these weapons and aren't exact replicas. That goes for the Rival versions as well. Let's check out D.Va's light gun. The gun is all pink as expected. It has a lock on the left side. The lock will prevent the gun from going off or the trigger being pulled. To load the rounds, you have to pull hard on the back part, making the chamber open. Then, you load up to 3 rounds and cock the gun back into place. Once in position, you can fire the round. The slide has a recoil action. The slide has a reset button on the back, but I must admit, when I pressed the button, it took me about 45 minutes to get the blaster to go back to normal. This reset button is used if rounds get jammed inside. This blaster comes with 3 green Overwatch high impact rounds. And finally, the blaster has the bunny charm on a chain. I love this detail. Let's see how this works. I'm using the Marvel vs. Capcom Infinite Iron Man vs. Mega Man X. Oh, and Dozer.
Bazooka, 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 bazooka obsessed, bazooka obsessed.
Okay, so this thing shoots pretty hard, and it's pretty accurate. I only have 2 problems with this blaster. Sometimes I have to pull back hard again just to get the blaster loaded. But that's an easy fix. The big problem isn't even with the blaster itself, but with the high impact rounds. I'm constantly losing them. Look at this, I lost one of the originals. This really sucks. After messing with this thing, I can easily say it's 100% for kids 14 and up. It's a great Nerf blaster that modding it would only make it super ridiculous. I'm not really into the game, but this pistol and its details definitely made me curious. I hope you enjoyed my look at the Nerf Overwatch D.Va blaster, and stay tuned for more reviews. Oh, and happy birthday, Grz-Geek.
A momentary lapse. Sentry deployed. Turret was destroyed.
10 seconds. Victory! Play of the game.